For some reason, the lion is considered the king of all animals, but this is the mammal's case. The reptiles have their hierarchy. One of the largest poisonous snakes in the world, the king cobra, deserves the title of king. The size and appearance of the king cobra inspire respect and fear. Imagine that. The average length of its body is 3 to 4 meters, but there are individuals with a length of 5 to 5.5 meters. It is not difficult to recognize this snake. The distinctive feature of the king cobra is a narrow hood in the area of the nape and neck, decorated with 6 large dark semicircle shields. The basic color of the snake is brown or greenish-brown. It alternates with dark rings around the entire body. Southeast Asia, together with South Asia, has become the habitat of the king cobra. The reptile has settled in the tropical forests of Pakistan, the Philippines, southern China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and India, south of the Himalayas. As it was discovered through tracking with radio beacons, some species never leave their home areas, but some of the snakes actively migrate, moving dozens of kilometers. In recent years, cobras increasingly settled near human habitation. This is caused by the development of large-scale agricultural production in Asia that clears forest areas where cobras are used to live. The coloration of the young snake shows which of the two types it belongs to. The juveniles of the Indonesian group exhibit light-colored transverse stripes interlocking with the abdominal shields along the body. However, intermediate coloration due to erased boundaries between the types also occurs. The coloration of scales on the back depends on location and may be yellow, brown, green, or black. The scales of the underbelly are usually lighter and colored creamy beige. Recently there was a tendency for king cobras to move closer to human habitation, and there is an explanation for this. Firstly, this neighborhood often occurs during the rainy season. Secondly, the extensive spread of agricultural production in Asian countries leads to the deforestation of forests that are the natural habitat of these snakes. In addition, cobras are often spotted in crop areas where there are many rodents, and where there are rodents, there are also small snakes, the main food of the king cobra. Its favorite food is rat snakes. But at any other opportunity, she does not mind hunting other species, including venomous ones. In cases of their shortage, the queen may switch to giant lizards, but it does not happen that often. The snake can quickly cope with its prey with a potent poison that has a neurotoxic effect. It causes paralysis of the respiratory muscles, which leads to respiratory failure and, consequently, death. The poison injected into the victim during the bite is about 6 to 7 milliliters. Such a dose can be fatal even for an elephant, let alone a human. What is interesting, the king cobras are immune to their poison, so during the duel for a female during the mating season, none of the suitors die from the bite of a rival.